Welcome. In this video, you'll learn the essential skills and responsibilities of a visual observer, a critical safety role in FAA Part 107 drone operations. Whether you're supporting inspections, mapping missions, or public safety flights, a visual observer, or VO, is an optional but highly valuable crew member who assists a remote pilot in command by maintaining constant visual awareness of the aircraft and its surroundings. Under Part 107, the remote pilot may use a VO to help maintain situational awareness, avoid hazards, and ensure the aircraft remains clear of other aircraft, people, and obstacles. As a visual observer, your number one responsibility is to maintain uninterrupted visual line of sight with the drone. That means you must be able to see the aircraft's orientation, altitude, and movement at all times, without binoculars or electronic aids. You are the pilot's second set of eyes. If something looks unsafe, you speak up immediately. Clear, concise communication is essential. Before every flight, the pilot and VO establish a communication plan. This includes standard callouts, emergency phrases, lost visual contact procedures, hand signals, and radio or verbal communication methods. During flight, your callouts must be short, specific, and actionable. For example, aircraft drifting left, birds entering airspace, low-flying helicopter approaching from the north. Your job is to give the pilot the information they need, fast, what you're watching for. As a VO, you're scanning the environment constantly. You're not watching the screen, you're watching the sky and the ground. If you lose sight of the aircraft, you immediately say, "Lost visual contact." The pilot must respond and take corrective action. In an emergency, the VO becomes the pilot's most important asset. You may need to call out, "Return to home now, descend immediately, abort, aircraft overhead, landing zone compromised." Your calm, accurate communication helps the pilot make safe decisions under pressure. Before every mission, the pilot will brief you on the flight plan. This includes mission objective, flight path and altitude, airspace classification, weather and visibility, emergency procedures, your position and field of view. If anything in the briefing is unclear, ask. A VO who understands the mission is a VO who can protect it. Positioning and field of view. Where you stand matters. Your position should give you unobstructed view of the aircraft, clear view of the operational area, ability to hear and communicate with the pilot. Sometimes the VO may reposition during the mission. Always communicate before moving. When to call for termination. A visual observer has the authority to call for a flight termination if safety is compromised. If you see a hazard the pilot cannot see, or if the aircraft is at risk, you say, "Terminate flight." The pilot must respond immediately. Professionalism and mindset. A great VO is focused, alert, and proactive. You're not on your phone. You're not distracted. You're part of a professional flight crew operating under FAA regulations. Stay alert, stay engaged, stay professional. Visual observers play a vital role in safe and compliant Part 107 operations. With clear communication, constant awareness, and a commitment to safety, you help ensure every mission is successful. Thank you for supporting safe drone operations. Train, communicate, observe, protect the mission.